morning, everyone. My joy and pleasure being with you. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci long-term levels on hourly chart. This morning we are dealing with crucial Alpha Fibonacci support for the last 2 hours. Poor shorts in serious trouble. So what is in front of you? In front of you, our extended rally. In front of you, what intelligent trader knows. Crucial Alpha Fibonacci support, the most important rule you learn in the course, day 1, present in front of you. Intelligent trader understands it's a world of difference if you're buying market here versus here. This morning we are dealing with exhausted buyers. This morning this is your trading range. This is Alpha Fibonacci analysis we do every single day before the start of your trading. Every single day trader develops poor or excellent trading habits. Every single day trader decides to take a quality trade or to take a bait. Quality trading is what Alpha Fibonacci system all about. So when Jennifer sends me this email, it melts my soul because Jennifer clearly knows quality trading. She has zero interest in junky trades. She has zero interest in baits. What a spectacular explanation from our yesterday's lesson. That brilliant trader looking for reasons not to take that trade. This is a huge shift in thinking as opposed to chasing a trade, which allows you to isolate your best trade, the best formation, amazing. And as Jennifer shares, this morning because of this gem of information, all junky trades stuck out. And more clearly than ever, you can see the good trades. Thank you. I tested this several times this morning and nothing but success. This means the world. This is quality trading from incredible positive trader who is making an effort. Every day you develop trading habits. This morning trader recognizing as long as this support remains respected, your only option to buy the market high. It's extremely dangerous trading. Buyers exhausted and sellers are weak. This is the moment when intelligent trader will be absolutely tested, knowing quite well. Markets extremely high. So if you choose to take this trade, you absolutely must be careful. Selecting your trade especially carefully, obeying Alpha Fibonacci rules, taking only quality trades. So, when price is giving you this, what does intelligent trader knows? Price extremely high. Take a look what's playing out now. Trader who chooses to buy the market this high knows extremely well. This is a major problem. This is crucial Alpha Fibonacci resistance. However, it is your only option this morning. Critical moment, crucial target. Intelligent trader knows market extremely high, and when the scanner give you alert and there is only one trade, if there is no double, triple, quadruple number of trades, It confirms exhaustion of the buyers. It confirms the danger of this market, when good versus bad habits will show clearly the understanding of overextended rally. When you do not see multiple alerts on scanner, it means there is no institutional volume. It's a crawl, it's a pain, it's a problem. We knew this before we came to the trading room. That's the power of the system that shows you clearly if you choose to buy the bottom versus extremely high. Market stuck in pain, in crawl, in torture. We're seeing absolutely no shorts in this market. We're seeing only pain. This is when traders test it to the core, knowing quite well. Exhausted buyers and worthless sellers create very dangerous combination without institutional volume. We would love to see market crash, but it's not happening. It's a crawl. It's a pain. Here we go. Critical alpha Fibonacci resistance. That's showing you bullish weakness. And when the scanner giving you quadruple number of alerts, there is no surprise. It confirms institutions continue buying, not shorting this market when volume picking up. Correct? Boom. Take your profits off the table and move your stop outside of break even. Even in the worst market conditions, excellent habits prevail. We agree? This was the only option this morning. Again and again and again. And when price comes to alpha Fibonacci support and price starts pulling back, there is no surprise. That's the reason I named proprietary level alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So let's ask alpha Fibonacci traders what they have done. J 6 points S&P, candles 23 for 23 trades between SPY and Bitcoin, including options. This is power of intelligent traders who know spectacular trades from junky ones. Emmanuel killing it on gold. You decide what you want to trade. Do you want to trade options? Do you want to trade gold? Or do you want to trade S&P? Choice is yours. Even at this overextended, dangerous market conditions, Jennifer killing it. S&P 3 points, 20 gold. Flawless. Incredible work. I give you Ferrari. All you have to do, drive one based on the rules. If these traders can do it, so can you. Every day you cultivating either spectacular trading habits or brutal ones. You decide if you want to be quality trader, choosing your ultimate trade even during the worst market conditions, or not. Choice is yours. As traders all over the world, trading alpha Fibonacci system on any instrument, any time frame, any platform, any account size, they choose. Absolutely up to you. Choice is yours. It never gets old, I promise. Means the world. I give you Ferrari, all you have to do is drive one. Simple. Thank you, traders. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Emmanuel. Thank you, Carl. Thank you, Don. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your effort. Thank you for your quality trading. Thank you for inspiring others with your stories, with your journeys. You're changing lives. You are seeing what's possible if trader plays with good trading habits. As price showing you very clearly, you cannot buy into Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. It will never work. Know where to exit your trade. Do you remember at the start we knew that this is critical resistance. Right now it's critical support. Sellers are worthless. Sellers are weak. Market is not collapsing. Intelligent trader knows this very well. Intelligent trader would never ever short the market randomly. And that's the power of the system, with incredible effort from phenomenal traders. Just another day with Alpha Fibonacci system. So if you would like to hear journeys in podcasts of Alpha Fibonacci traders, every week we upload a new podcast. We have lines and waiting lists of traders sharing their journeys, sharing their stories, inspiring others, making this world a better place. These are the traders who make serious effort. You will hear someone whose story resembles yours. 99.9% of traders who come to me have been trying for many years and lost a fortune. These trader stories will be very similar to yours. I promise you that. You want to see more? Click on reviews and decide on the option appropriate for you. Currently we're offering the biggest discount ever, lifetime license with software, with 3 months of live group classes and private mentoring in 6 months. I have only one spot left. So please, any questions for me, review the information on website and do not hesitate to contact me. I always look forward speaking with you. Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. Look forward working with you. As market remains stuck, intelligent trader knows that. Intelligent trader interested only in powerful pullback, not a junky trade. What played out at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone was absolutely expected. And that's the power of the system, as proven by traders all over the world. No sellers here. None. It's a very weak, bearish pullback. As Ken, as Jay, as Jennifer knows. Ken in another trade on Bitcoin, being 23 for 23. This will be 24 for 24. You can listen to Ken's podcast. Lockdown have been good for Ken, as Ken became full-time trader. And that's the power of good habit, not a bad one. Choice is yours.